Ever wondered how to unleash the power of IPTV on your Roku TV? Check out ChewTV.store for the best IPTV provider. Connect with customer support Nancy through the link in the description below. IPTV opens up a world of channels, sports, and shows. Let's dive into how you can transform your Roku TV through a few simple steps and enjoy endless entertainment options starting today. The first step involves accessing the Roku channel store. Navigate with your remote to find the app that complements IPTV services. This is easier than you think with our simple guide. Once you find the right app, install it swiftly. Here's where you'll notice IPTV's magic. Smooth streaming without hiccups. Get ready to explore countless channels at your fingertips. After installation, configure your app settings. This is where your IPTV subscription details come into play. Following these steps gets you closer to personalized viewing bliss. With everything set up, you're ready to enjoy. Experience the power of IPTV on Roku, diving into endless entertainment possibilities. Subscribe if you found this guide helpful and leave a comment below.